Sa muling pagbisita ni Kobe Bryant sa Pilipinas, isang tanong ang namukod-tangi mula sa kanyang Pinoy fans. Makakabangon pa nga ba si Black Mamba mula sa injury na tinamo niya nung nakaraang NBA season? May report si Chino Trinidad.
Nang mapatid ang litid sa kaliwang paa ni Kobe Bryant noong nakaraang NBA season, marami ang nagdududa kung kaya pa niyang maibalik ang kanyang laro. Ang mga ganito palang pagdududa ang nag-uudyok sa Lakers all-time leading scorer na makabalik na mas maaga sa inaakala ng mga dalubhasang isang taong pamamahinga.
It comes from an inner dialogue of wanting to prove to yourself, first and foremost, that you can do something that you doubt that you can do. I'm not going to cower to those doubts. I'm not going to be scared. I'm not going to run from them. I'm going to face them, and I'm going to challenge myself in trying to accomplish those things.
Kahit ilang beses nang pinatunayan ni Kobe na walang imposible sa isang desididong atleta, may ilang pa rin hindi kumbinsido. Ang edad at ang tinaguriang wear and tear ng katawan ng two-time NBA scoring champion ang magiging hadlang daw sa pagbabalik ni Black Mamba. Ngunit kumpiyansa si Kobe sa kanyang full recovery.
It's the attention to detail and versatility. And that's the thing, because I can adjust my game. I can play all kinds of styles. It's like a martial artist that can use a myriad of styles. I can adjust style. And I think that gives me a longevity that my peers haven't been able to have. You want me to sign those for you?
Muling nakaharap ni Kobe ang isa niyang masugid na tagahanga. Una silang nagkita, 15 taon na ang nakakaraan. At dahil doon, nabuhayan ng loob si Kat kahit naputulan ng braso. Pumasok pa nga siya sa high school basketball team at ngayon nasa larangan na ng graphic design. Sa ibinigay ng autograph ni Kobe, sinabi nito kung bakit dapat pahalagahan ang bawat sandali ng buhay. Ang mga katulad daw ni Kat ang nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa two-time Olympic gold medalist.
How do you inspire yourself?
Well, by inspiring others. So like today, meeting Kat again, seeing her after so many years, inspires me to want to push more. Because I know she's pulling inspiration from what I'm doing. So that makes me want to drive even harder.
I think today is really the right time for it. It's very overwhelming. The feeling inside, sobrang hindi ko alam kung anong expect ko.
Nangako si Kobe Bryant na babalik muli dito sa Pilipinas kung saan damang-dama niya na hindi siya iniiwan ng kanyang mga fans, manalo man o matalo.
Chino Trinidad, GMA News.